Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys slept very well, and I also hope that you had a great start into your day. Now, first of all, I just realized that we've got a beautiful day out here. Look at this view. Wow. And then second, that's a little bit more negative. I've got tons of office work to do. I've got so much scheduling and planning, and it's definitely not going to be a very exciting day. But anyway, I'm going to take you guys through it. In the later afternoon, we'll also go and say hello to some of the animals. But for now, I'll have to do the boring and annoying work, which is also part of it. All right. Just wanted to keep you guys up to date. Tune in to say hello, and see you guys later. JJ, chill. Good afternoon, everybody. So we are done with most of the office work, and now we're gonna take the monkeys out into the wild, as well as Little, and just have some fun and take you guys with. All right. Yeah, Yuka? We coming back now soon. See you later. Bye-bye. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. All right. We just arrived here in our little paradise. It's a nice spot right next to the river. Look at this. Oh, how cool is that? Lots of trees and branches and lots of nature to climb around and just have fun. Isn't that beautiful? And I also got some veggies and some eggs and some snacks for you guys. Let's have some fun. All right. So yeah, just give me a second. Let me open that box quickly. There we go. That looks good. We got some biscuits and some eggs. And then we also got some cucumber and some beans. Hello. You're my boy. What is up? Just checking up on the lions quickly. They're all doing well.